Hi, welcome back to Golli's channel.
Hello.
We are in a town called Work&travel. It reminds us a little bit like Stars Hollow of Gilmore Girls. We had a nice little pizza and this cafe here, so we showed it.
Yeah, it's called Warburton Village Pizza Cafe.
We got given a little bit of live music.
Yeah.
One of the workers just sat down randomly and started playing some guitar.
It was pretty cool. Yeah, we didn't film in there because I wasn't sure, but it's behind us. You can see it. It's very cute.
He was a really beautiful singer.
They have also gluten-free options and vegan, and very good pizza and affordable, and nice coffee and desserts and stuff.
And we
very
just
good.
popped in to buy an umbrella because we're in Melbourne, and we were at the beach yesterday getting sunburned, and now we have to go buy an umbrella.
That's it.
Never know what's going to happen in Melbourne.
Melts, y'all, melts.
So
And
now we're off to the Redwood Forest.
True. In the rain. So stay tuned and see what's gonna happen today. Okay, so we just visited the visitor center here next to this, what is it called? Wheel?
Water wheel. And we got ourselves some matching rings. Show your ring, Golli.
Got matching rings, y'all. This is not gay or anything. Here. Yeah, we got. Hang your hands like this, so nicely. They've got matching rings, y'all.
Wow.
Oh wow.
They've got little trees inside
Yeah,
them.
look. Focus camera, fuck.
You can see the little treenery, what's like that?
Anyway, there's like some plants in there. Oh.
Really pretty.
Yeah, very nice. This visitor center is pretty cool. Like they have little art gallery, little like
Nice handmade gifts to
And-
buy, like nice handmade soaps, and yeah, this is like a handmade jewelry piece.
yeah, and nature exhibitions, and there's like those stuffed animals, like legit stuffed animals, like they're dead. Water wheel, yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it. Okay, it stopped raining, so we should use the time and
We got off now. We're off to the nice. What do you call that? Art from the staircase.
what do you call it?
Nice, eh?
Look at this.
Very
It's a really cute town. I love it.
Yeah, it's
So
really
Stars
nice.
Hollow in Australia. With cute rings. Okay, we'll catch you later. Put your hand on it.
Okay. We'll see
Okay.
you at Redwood Forest. This one cracks me up a bit.
You're on YouTube, mates. We are here in the Rainforest Gallery, as you can see here. Very cool.
Very funny.
She's so stupid. Like, I'm vlogging here.
Zoom into this photo.
Fucking Kathleen. Anyway, Fuck! I don't understand.
It's so funny.
Okay. Yeah, she's like, ugh, sand.
Okay,
Don't fall.
Welcome to the Rainforest Gallery. We are in Warburton. We said in the previous one we were gonna go to the Redwood Forest, but we changed our mind. Fucking calm down.
Don't.
There we are. There's a beautiful creek over there.
I'll show you. I can see it from here with the camera. Stay tuned for that, and yeah.
Thanks for
So
following us.
this is
subscribe.
Subscribe. So this is not the Redwood Forest here?
This is not the Redwood Forest.
Are you sure? Looks like it.
It's called Ashwood.
Oh.
There was some weird sign that said like if there's a bushfire, then if they burn to the ground, the seeds will rejuvenate, and that's a circle of life. It's actually what the sign said, circle of life.
What? Fucking.
Are we in the Lion King talking about the circle of life?
So raining, like fuck.
I had to buy a $12.50 umbrella from the
fuck that
$2
shit.
shop. Oh, here
Wow,
we go!
wow,
We
super,
made it.
super, super, oh, toll. Good that we're the only people here.
This is so pretty.
Look at this. Okay,
Apparently we had someone here to take a photo of us. Oh, selfies.
okay, we guys see you later. Welcome to the Redwood Forest here in the Yarra National Park. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, I think so.
Yarra National Park.
See, it's in East Warburton.
Warburton?
Warburton.
I think so. Look at this.
It's so pretty.
Some of them are up to 55 meters high. It's pretty cool.
For
Anyway.
Hunger Games, where Katniss Everdeen
Yeah,
would have
Katniss.
been finding some wildlife.
Yeah,
With her
Katniss
bow and arrow.
jumping out from somewhere here, having a nap on the tree.
Well, Golli's not with Katniss, but she's with Kathleen.
Okay. Anyway,
Got
yeah.
my foresty jacket on.
Yeah, so these are actual real Californian redwoods, which they planted here. Like they are not native to Australia, so they brought them from California and planted them here. This used to be an eucalyptus forest. We did our research, and apparently it burned down, I think. So they were like, oh, let's just like do this. And as you can see, they're like in perfect line. So
It's pretty good.
yeah.
But we sort of missed the turnoff. You go down Cement Road and it's how many, like 700 meters on the right hand
Yeah.
side. But we kept driving to the end, went through potholes. It was
Four-wheel driving.
It was a bitch. Holden Cruise.
Hashtag influencer.
Should have taken a Land Rover.
Thank you for watching this vlog here, surrounds of Melbourne, exploring the Yarra region and the Wilson's prom and all that stuff. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. You can subscribe my channel right there, here, and watch my other videos there, here too for you. And I see you guys very soon on my next adventure. Thanks to Kathleen.
Bye.
Bye, Z's.